Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to fix iPhone stuck in home critical alerts. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to fix an iPhone stuck on the home would like to send you critical alert screen, try force restarting the device. This can be done by quickly pressing and releasing the volume up button, then the volume down button, and finally pressing and holding the side button until the Apple logo appears. Now simply do this to force restart your iPhone device or any other Apple devices. The home would like to send you critical alerts prompt is a notification from the home app requesting permission to send emergency alerts even when do not disturb or silent mode is enabled. If the prompt freezes or becomes unresponsive, a force restart is the recommended solution for this. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.